Happy Friday. I'm 9 News Meteorologist Laurann Robinson here with your midday virtual forecast. So we have some snow pushing into the area, expected snow, but still snow nonetheless. Some areas getting more than others. So let's go ahead and take a look at maybe some contrasting pictures. This is a live look outside near the Eisenhower Tunnel, Loveland ski area, and you can see that snow is actually getting thicker here. People still enjoying it as they go down the slopes, but other areas not so lucky. This is a live look right now out in Fort Collins. We do have the heavy clouds here, but maybe some light flurries are pushing through, if anything. Same goes for our live look over Boulder. The cloud cover has moved in, but we're not seeing a lot of snow falling. And finally, we take a live look over downtown Denver. The same thing is happening. That cloud cover really thickened. I was just outside a moment ago. I saw a few snowflakes, nothing that'll cause any sort of accumulations. And the same goes for out at DIA, where we're at 38 degrees. Not reading any snowfall out there either. Feels like 26 though, with winds coming in from the north at 26 miles per hour. So even if you're in an area that's not going to get much of any snow, you will see the colder temperatures and stronger winds as you go through the rest of the day. So that's something that you'll want to watch out for. We'll take temperatures across the Front Range and Eastern Plains right now, mostly in the mid to upper 30s. Some areas still in the 40s, 50s further southeast. In the high country, we're seeing teens, 20s, 40s, those lower 30s across the western slope. So yesterday was very warm, unseasonably warm. We made it all the way to 62 degrees in Denver. But as you take a look over the last 24 hours, we've seen some colder air move in, especially across the Front Range and Eastern Plains, where Lyman is 27 degrees colder than we were this time yesterday. Denver is 21 degrees colder than we were this time yesterday. Along with that colder air that pushed in behind a front, so did strong northern winds. So we're going to see these winds pushing in from the north, maybe around 60 miles per hour at times. These are wind gusts, so it's going to be pretty windy across most of the Front Range and Eastern Plains as we go through the rest of the afternoon and evening. So because of that, we do have some high wind warnings that'll be in effect. These areas in this pink purple color, central and southeastern portions of the plains, could see these winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. We're also going to see some strong winds in other portions of the Front Range and Eastern Plains as well. So continue to watch for those winds to pick up. Clouds going to continue to thicken. We're going to see those colder temperatures, and in some lucky areas, we'll see the snow showers. Now, I think most of the snow will actually stay along the I-25 corridor to fall in the central portions of the state. If you're going to be far east or far west, you might not see anything at all. As you take a look at our HD Doppler radar, though, you can see it really dropped off as it went over Denver. This system did. So we saw maybe some snow falling in the foothills and high country just west of Fort Collins. Dropped off as it made its way through Denver. Then it picks back up further south of Denver, so maybe through Littleton, Highlands Ranch, as you make your way through Castle Rock into Colorado Springs. These are areas that are starting to see that snow really pick up, and then it's going to continue to push its way further south. So as you continue to monitor this, all of this is not hitting the ground. So we could start to see some rain showers because those temperatures are a little warmer further east. But again, all of this that we're seeing on the radar is aloft. All of it is not, some of it is having trouble reaching the ground though. So as we go through the rest of the afternoon, where we're really going to expect most of this snow to fall, again, is going to be the central portion of the state. We could see some hot spots south of Denver and then in the south central portions of Colorado. All of it, though, moves out overnight. Snow moves out, the clouds move out. So as we go throughout our Saturday, temperatures will stay pretty cool, but it'll also be more calm as well. Those winds will calm down as we go through the rest of the weekend. As far as those snow totals through the rest of the day, we're not going to get a whole lot. Those hot spots, again, further south of Denver than the south central portions of the state, could maybe see 1 to 3 inches. Same goes for maybe northern mountain ranges. The rest of the area that sees any sort of snow might not even get any accumulation. I don't think Denver really gets much in the way of accumulation, and then some of the foothills areas could see a little more, but our couple of hot spots will be south of Denver, south central portions of Colorado. Outside of that, maybe you're someone who's not going to get a lot of snow. But you will notice that will be the colder temperatures. We hit our high of 45 degrees earlier this morning. Temperatures have just continued to drop as we go through the afternoon. So if you're making those afternoon plans, prepare for temperatures in the mid-30s. We're going to continue to see those strong winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour in some areas. Overnight, we stay mostly cloudy. We'll see lingering snow showers. We see those overnight temperatures near 17 degrees. The rest of the Front Range and Eastern Plains will see more seasonal temperatures overnight as well. Now, over the next couple of days, all of today's snow and cloud and strong winds move on out, so we're going to be calm and sunny as we go through the weekend. We continue to see those cooler temperatures tomorrow with those seasonal temperatures in the mid-40s, pretty much where we should be this time of year. But temperatures warm up as we go into next week. We're in the low 50s for Sunday. Monday, if you have MLK Day plans, you'll be enjoying sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-50s. Sunny and mild weather sticks around for Tuesday, and then Wednesday of next week is when we do see colder weather and maybe some cloud cover push back in.